I'm one of the jokesters here at the Laugh Floor. Of course, I'm not your MC or monster of ceremonies. No, that's the little green guy with one big eye. If you know his name, shout it out.
Mike Wazowski.
That's right, Mike Wazowski. In fact, raise your hand if you also have the first name Mike. Interesting. Well, that concludes our mic check. Oh, hey, look at that. I just got my first gigawatt. Oh, we're going to fill that can, I can tell. You know, we have... Uh-oh, someone wants to get up and dance. All right, let's see what you got. Oh, I got to get up and dance. They're going to get up. They're going to get up. They're going to get up. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah, that was awesome. Give it up for the dancing humans. Hey, you know, we have a little tradition here at the Laugh Floor. Anytime a monster comes on stage and says, "Hello, humans," the proper human response is to throw your hands in the air and scream. Ah! Try it with me. Hello, humans! Wow, that was great. Do it like that every time. But to start the show, shout, "Hey, Roz, let's get this going." Hey, Roz, let's get this going. Ow, that landed on my foot.
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit door. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Laugh Floor! And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski! Hello, humans! Oh, very good! I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the Laugh Floor. Now, this is your first time in the monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it'd be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the end. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? To get away from Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
Okay, folks. Phew. Are you ready for our first act? Well, here they are, Mac and Cheese. Hello, humans. Oh, very good. This is my little brother Mac. My name is Jeeves, and together we are Mac and Jeeves. Mac and Jeeves. I thought that would kill. Anyway, I should tell you that my brother here happens to be an expert on the geography of the monster.
Human world surprise, bro. Switched it up on you. Check out the map. We're gonna do the human world.
Really? And what do you know about the human world?
I know lots about it. I bet. Name a country. Name a country in the world. I can tell you its capital.
Oh, all right. Well, I'll get the humans to help me with this. Humans, shout out the name of the human country. Latvia. I heard Latvia.
Capital of Latvia is L. Big L, little Latvia.
Yes, I see what you did. Now we're going to try this again, and this time with someone who actually knows where they live, and it could be anyone.
Anyone that's not that guy.
No, not that guy.
I like him, but he looks lost. He ain't gonna help with this.
All right, that's a gentleman. Anyone who's not that guy, feel free to raise your hand if you know where you live. And I'm surprised how few of them, these humans, know where they live. We're just going...
How are you gonna get home if you don't know where you live?
I'm certainly worried about them. We're just going to choose someone, and hopefully they know where they live. Needleman, find me someone on the aisle, won't you? Oh, yes, there we go. Very good. Yes, thank you. Tell me, what is your name?
Linda.
Linda, and where is it that you live?
Arkansas.
Oh, Arkansas is great. That's where they invented the saw. Yeah, it's real dangerous. They have a dangerous animal there called a squirrel, and it's famous for the Eiffel Tower.
Is my brother correct?
Nailed it. Moving on.
Sorry, I doubted you. You want to try it again?
Oh yeah, except this time I want to talk to the human in the back on my side that's got 2 heads.
Well, no, there's no such thing as a two-headed
You know when you found them, right?
Oh. All right, why don't we start by talking to the larger head first. Tell me, what is your name? Erica. And what is the name of the smaller head?
Maria.
Maria. Erica and Maria, where are you from?
Houston.
Houston! I love Houston. They say everything's smaller in Houston. It's a tropical island off the coast of Hawaii with super cool volcanoes, famous of course for the Eiffel Tower.
Was my brother correct?
Hang on a minute. Erica, when's the last time you was home?
In Houston.
2 days ago.
Oh, that's what it is. It's all changed since then. In fact, I'm gonna tell you the new national anthem of the country of Houston. Here you go. If you're looking for something great to see ya, follow home Erica and Maria. Flies on every single flower, underneath their beautiful Texas Eiffel Tower.
Weren't they great, folks? Weren't they great? Let's see how they did. Ho, 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 ho! 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Hello, humans! Hello, it's great. You all remembered. Even that guy. Good job. I forgot to tell you last time I was out here, but I have a mind-reading act. Everybody, yeah, that's right. I'm telepathetic. So I'm going to read a mind. First, of course, I must find a mind to read. Do me a favor, raise your hand if you believe you have a mind. Wow, should be more of you than that. Okay, but the psychic vibrations are telling me to choose you. Oh, my goodness. And my first prediction is someone's going to find you with a microphone and stick it right in front of your face. Hi, my name's Buddy. What's yours?
My name?
Yeah.
Will Murray.
Say it again.
Will Murray.
Yeah, that's right. Example of my amazing psychic abilities, everyone. Now, Will Marie, it is Will Marie, isn't it?
Yes.
Look at that, I'm 2 for 2. Now, Will Marie, you're going to help me with my act. I need you to think of a number between 1 and 50. Don't shout it out, just nod your head when you have yours. Just pick any number between 1 and 50, don't say it. Just nod.
Oh, okay.
Okay, well, that's good enough. All right, you're prepare to be amazed because I'm going to extract that number from your mind. But before I do, I need you to share your number with the audience so they all know I got it right and they can applaud and cheer. But do not worry, Will Marie. So I cannot hear you, I will close my eyes. Go ahead and share your number now. Did you do it?
9.
What?
9.
I'm sorry, what?
9.
Is Will Marie still here? Did she leave the auditorium? Oh, that was my bad. I forgot I had my eyes closed. I could not hear you. Okay, Will Marie, I need you to concentrate on the number you have chosen. Make a concentration face. Kind of surprised. Concentration. I'll make mine. Here we go. Oh, yeah, concentrate. All right, put your hands up by your head and make antenna fingers. Antennas. You know what antennas? Show her antennas. Oh, very good. Now, you are going to send me your number using only your mind and your best personal secret psychic sound. Okay, I don't know what that was, but I loved it. You know what, Will Marie? Do it again. Now make the sound again. That's your face. Make the sound again. Oh, it gets better every time. Oh, what the heck? Do it again! Well, it worked. Your number was 49. Was that right?
No.
Higher or lower?
You're talking about 8.
Is your number higher? I don't need to know your age. I can never tell out how old humans are. I think you're supposed to count the rings. So was your number higher or lower?
Lower.
49. That's too much. Well, I tried, but a number just hit me. Maybe it was yours. Was your number 9?
Yeah.
Roz, why did you do that? You got it right.
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Just fill the can. But remember, I'm watching. Always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Roz, and I've got a mole on my
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski!
Hello, humans! Oh no, the only way we're gonna fill this laugh can now is with your jokes. Y'all wanna hear your jokes? Say, oh yeah, yeah! Oh yeah! Sweet, this one comes from Matt from Florida. They said, why did Mickey fly to space? You guys say why? Why? To find Pluto! This one's from Aaron from a place called Miami. They said, what happens when Olaf throws a temper tantrum? You guys say what? What? They call it a meltdown! This one's from Logan. Logan says, what's a pirate's favorite letter? You guys say what? You'd think it'd be R, but their first love is the sea! This one's from Charlotte. Charlotte said a good one. They said, what did 50 Cent do when he got hungry? You guys say what? 58. You guys are good at humor. That's what I want to study at Monsters University! Yeah, that's what my Uncle Mike learned. Anything you do is actually better with a partner. So I want to see if there's a human kid in the house that wants to be on the screen and help me tell some jokes, and I hope they're funny. If not, it's my fault. Okay, Needleman, there's a human kid who's sitting next to a lamp that works out. Let's talk to that one. Hi, human kid. Hi, I'm Marty. What is your name? Sorry, what did you say? Colton. Hi, Colton. Hi, I'm Marty. What grade are you in? You look like a big kid. Wait, you're in kindergarten? Look out, man, Colton. Kindergarten was the hardest 2 years of Uncle Mike's life. I think you're gonna do better than him. Hey, help me with this joke. Why don't you give Elsa a balloon? Oh, why? Nature calls, I get it, bro. That's a good one. Hey, you're really smart. You're good at jokes. Do you know what you want to do when you grow up? It's hard to know. You don't have to know, bruh. But do you know? You do? What do you want to do? You can tell everybody. Oh, police officer. Nice. Right. Hey, yeah, let's go for it. That's a good one. Hey, Colton, what did the police officer say to his belly button? You're under arrest. Yeah, it's good that you know what you want to do, because humans can do anything they want. They could even, like, invent new ways to wear a backpack if they want. That's a career alternative. You know what I want to do? I want to make everybody laugh, just like that guy. Everyone clap for Colton. You saved the show.
Okay, let's give the little guy a big hand. Wasn't he great?
to promote the one responsible.
Oh yeah, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Big hair.
Well, that's our show. Thanks for your laughter and goodbye.